Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy English Study. Today we are starting a new series, Daily Useful Sentences that you can use in your everyday conversations. Let's begin. Number 1. I'll get back to you. Use this when someone asks you something and you need time to reply later. Number 2. It's up to you. Use this when you want to let the other person make the decision. Number 3. Let's keep in touch. Use this when you want to stay connected with someone in the future. Number 4. I really appreciate it. Use this to thank someone sincerely for what they did. Number 5. Take your time. Use this to tell someone there's no rush and they can relax. Number 6. That makes sense. Use this when you understand something clearly. Number 7. I couldn't agree more. Use this when you fully agree with someone. Number 8. Let me think about it. Use this when you need some time before deciding. Number 9. It depends. Use this when the answer changes based on the situation. Number 10. I'll keep that in mind. Use this to tell someone you will remember what they said. Number 11. No worries. Use this to tell someone it's okay and there's nothing to worry about. Number 12. I'm on my way. Use this to tell someone you are coming right now. That's it for episode 1. Try to use these 12 sentences in your daily conversations this week. If this helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Easy English Study, and turn on the notification bell. Episode 2 is coming soon with common idioms. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing.